welcome back to my channel. So today I'm trying out all the new from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have the new Soft Glam eyeshadow palette, the new bronzer, one of the shades, and the Amrezy highlight, which looks insane. I haven't tried any of them until this video. I hadn't touched them, swatched them, nothing. So I'm going to be doing a little review and doing this tutorial. You guys can see them in action, see what we're working with here. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first thing in the box is this Soft Glam eyeshadow palette that she just came out with. I really like this nude packaging. It's really cute. It's the typical velvet like she always does, and a full-size mirror and the brush just like usual. There are 14 shadows. When I first saw this, I was like, yes, I'm all about the soft glam kind of vibes. This was awesome because it's got mattes, shimmers. These are all really wearable colors. I do have the Modern Renaissance palette. I've had it for a while and it's been one of my faves. It also has 14 colors and it is very dirty. While the packaging looks amazing, I already got it dirty. This is what I was telling you guys about. While this packaging is like super cute and I love that it's got like a different texture than other palettes, it gets so dirty. As you can see, this one has gone through the ringer. If you do have the Modern Renaissance palette, this could be a drawback for you. There are 3 of the same shades from the Renaissance palette in the Soft Glam palette. The 3 colors that are the same in both palettes are this Tempera shade right here, burnt orange, and Cypress Umber right here. That's a drawback to you getting the same shadows. I like really use all of these, so I don't think it'll be a big deal, but it's something to consider. So it does come with a brush, which I am obsessed with my other Anastasia brush. The fluffy end looks exactly the same. This one just looks a little less tapered, I guess. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we'll get started. Okay, so I've already put my foundation on. I'm just going to dust a little bit of my Coty Airspun on top of my lids. The first shade I'm gonna dip into is Orange Soda right here. So it's seeming like so far on this first shade, it is very similar texture-wise to the Modern Renaissance. Next, I'm going to take this color right here, Burnt Orange, and I'm just going to put that like in the crease, kind of blending it with where I already put the Orange Soda and on the outer V here. I'm going to take this color right here called Rustic and just dust this on this outer corner and then closer in my crease here. Now I'm going to take this bronze color right here and I'm just going to use a flat brush and pack this on my lid without any concealer or Fix Plus and see how it works. Now I'm going to dip into Sultry with the same brush. I'm just going to put that right on the edge here, kind of blend those two together. And y'all know the drill, I'm going to take my finger and pack some on right here. I'm going to go back in with Rustic right here, just on this outer corner, blend it. Now I'm just going to go in with this color right here, Noir, and run that on the lash line here, kind of smooth it out. And then I'm going to use a fine tip one and make it more of a wing. Alright, I'm going to dip into Burnt Orange again and I'm just going to use a little flat brush and I'm going to run that right under here. And then I'm going to very lightly tap into Rustic and put that close on this outer part. Okay, so now we're going to try out this bronzer. I got the color Saddle. Here's what the shade looks like. It has a full-size compact mirror in here. And so I'm just going to take my MAC brush. I think it's the 129. It's the one I always use. It's really old. Let's just try that out. I'm trying to like very lightly tap into it because I don't know how pigmented it is. And y'all, my skin has been so crazy lately. It's like patchy and dry and textured and I am not here for it. I like it. I mean, for how crazy my skin is right now, it's not really clinging anywhere. Feels pretty soft and easy to blend out. To my chin, little bit right here. just a tiny touch on the side of my nose. I like the color of it. Grab a blush really quick. Okay, so I added a little blush and I think it looks good. Usually what I'll do is just take my powder brush, nothing on it, and just kind of make sure it's all blended. I don't have like a harsh bronzer or blush line. So I have the Amrezy highlight. I'm so excited for this. Oh, it's a really cool texture. And that is blinding. That's from one little tap into it with this like fluffy brush. Oh my gosh. So I'm basically taking a bath in highlight right now. I hope it's showing up on camera like it is in here because it is like, bam. Okay, so I'm gonna put it where I normally would, which is right here on my brow. It's hard not to go crazy because it's so like beautiful. All right, we are glowing today. I'm gonna run it down my nose lightly. Tiny bit on my chin. Oh my gosh, y'all. I like can't stop. I need to stop. I can see myself in the viewfinder and I am like, and for being as like bright and blinding as it is, it's really not emphasizing my texture that I've been having going on right there lately. So here's what I always do also is I just lightly dab right here because I don't want to look oily. Dang, you guys. I'm just gonna dip into that and pop it right in here. Okay, I'm done. All right, I'm gonna put some mascara on and some setting spray and we will see how it looks. I'm gonna try out one of these Anastasia liquid lipsticks. I got 3 shades. I got the color Saffron and Ashen and Naked. And I picked all these up at TJ Maxx for $6.99 each. I'm gonna use the shade Naked. That is like very naked. Looks almost like I don't have lips. Let's let them dry so I don't mess them up. This is looking a little too white for me, so I'm taking my Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lip in the color number 5, Nude Thrill. And I'm just gonna kind of top it off. Better. Doesn't look like it made a huge difference, but it's better, it's better. Okay, so my final thoughts are I love the palette. I like the way this look turned out. If you already have the Modern Renaissance palette, I don't know that you need both, but if you don't have either, I would probably go for Soft Glam just because there are so many more colors that I would use and reach for more often than the pinks or reds and things like that that are in the Modern Renaissance palette. That will probably become my new go-to over the Modern Renaissance. The bronzer was great. It went on smooth. It is a really nice color and I am glad I have it. And for the grand finale, this highlight from Amrezy, or Amrezy, however you say her name, go get it if you haven't. I'm about to go to CVS and have everyone in there blinded. Get it before it's sold out. I'm thinking I need to get another one just because I love it so much and I don't know if they'll always have it. So I would say it was a win. Anastasia, she did it again. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Saffron. If you have the Modern Renaissance, if you already have the Modern Renaissance, you know who I'm really talking about.